Welcome back. You saw the title. It's been heavily requested, and finally two-stroke stuffing merch is here. As of now, there's t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, and children t-shirts, and a drinking cup mug available. There will be more with the two-stroke stuffing logo I designed. It's actually a graphic made from the ports of my new cylinder. So I think it looks cool, and yeah, that's what's available now. I'm hoping to make some other graphics and also maybe do some cool tools and drinking glasses. But now there's t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, and long sleeves, and children t-shirts, and a drinking cup available. Depending on which country you're viewing this from, there might be a merchandise shelf under the video. But there's a link in the description if there's no shelf there. Go to the store and grab a hoodie or t-shirt or whatever you like. It really helps to support the channel, and I really need some support now because I've spent all my money on the plating setup, and it's becoming more and more apparent that I really need a lathe and a mill, but primarily a lathe. So that's what the money will be going to. Whatever. Thanks for watching. The next video I'm in the process of filming and finish filming, and I will edit and upload tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I really should have had a t-shirt or something to show you, but I launched the shop 2 days ago and my samples haven't arrived yet. I wanted to tell you about the merchandise anyway because there's been a lot of pressure to make some. Thanks for watching.